What's up, guys? I'm putting a new jack kit on my '07 YFZ 450. And I'm gonna show you guys how to add a fuel mixture screw to the carburetor. Um, as you can see, I went ahead and removed it sort of out of the pocket. You didn't really need to, but I just wanted the extra wiggle room. Your fuel mixture screw is right there. I removed the whole front plate, and I'll show you right over here on the table. This is the bottom of the carburetor. This is a 17 millimeter where you can access your main jet, and right here, it's actually capped off, is where the fuel mixture screw goes. There's two ways to do this. You can either drill it out, but there is an easier way. All you need is either a screw, just a little screw. This is actually a sheet metal screw, so it actually just screwed in by hand. You go ahead, put the screw in, just start screwing it in. It's hard to do it with one hand, but I already did. You don't have to go all the way in. Once the screw's already set, go ahead and get some pliers. And I'm actually put the phone down real quick, and I can show you. So all you do is just pretty much pull it off. I hope that was pretty visible, but that is it. It's just a little plug holding it in place. Now it's access. I'm going to be putting just a generic fuel mixture screw in there, so I can adjust it a lot easier when I'm out riding, in case I need a little bit extra fuel or whatever. So yeah, simple as that. Alright guys.